Don't worry, you have come to the right channel. Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft PowerPoint.
How to use screen recording in Microsoft PowerPoint. In Microsoft PowerPoint, we can record our computer screen with the audio. Then we can embed it in our slide, or we can even save it as a separate file. Screen recording or screen clipping is very useful for capturing snapshots of windows or programs that we might have open on our computer and want to use. Stay tuned to learn how to use screen recording in Microsoft PowerPoint. We must select the Insert tab and locate the area of the ribbon where it mentions Media. In the Media area of the Insert tab is located the command Screen Recording. We are notified with the following. Insert Screen Recording. Record your computer screen and related audio before inserting the recording onto your slide. Once the Insert Screen Recording command is selected, the pop-up window recording appears at the middle top of our computer screen. In this pop-up window, we can do the following. Record the screen of computer using the default dimensions. Stop. We stop the recording. Select area. We can select a custom area of our computer screen. By using this command, we can drag and select with our mouse the necessary area. We can see that I have selected a certain area indicated by the red dotted lines, while there is a countdown notifying us when the recording will start. Also, we are notified that if we press Windows logo key plus Shift plus Q, we will stop the recording. Audio. By default, this command is activated, which means that we can record communication device. Record pointer. By default, this command is activated, which means we will capture the mouse pointer while recording. I have stopped the screen recording and the media automatically has been inserted in the activated slide. The Video Format tab and the Playback tab are activated, and we can also see that the recording is ready to play. If we want to save the recording as a separate file and not part of the presentation, we must do a right-click on the media, and from the shortcut menu that will appear, we must select the command Save Media As and follow the procedure so we can save it as a separate file on our computer. It is a nice way of sharing a capture screen or a video. We can also share video instructions while letting the users to see the information the same way as the person recording. We can record a window, a part of our screen, or full screen modes. It is up to us what suits us the best.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.